Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Word or LibreOffice Writer and creating a new document. Choose a template only if it saves time, otherwise start blank. Set basic document properties like title and author now so metadata is correct. Then save right away using Save As and select Docx, typing a clear file name. This prevents accidental format mismatches later. Once saved, make a quick outline of sections to guide your edits, and set page size and margins so layout stays consistent. You now focus on structure and content. Apply heading styles to each section so the document is navigable and auto-generates a table of contents. Insert images and tables, then set text wrapping and captions to maintain flow. Compress images if file size matters. Use paragraph and character styles rather than manual formatting so you can update look globally. If collaborating, turn on track changes and add comments. This preserves edits and the rationale behind changes. Make sure lists and numbering are consistent. You finish by proofreading and locking the layout. Run spelling and grammar and update the table of contents. Accept or reject track changes and resolve comments. Save the final. Docx and export a PDF for reliable sharing, making sure embedded fonts and images look correct. For metadata, double-check document properties. If formatting breaks after sharing, make sure the recipient isn't using compatibility mode. If needed, copy content into a fresh Docx using paste special as plain text, then reapply styles. That fixes hidden formatting issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.